Before we start the install of the Wicker Bill on the car, please comment if you'd like a full mod video of everything that's been done to this vehicle. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Let's start the install. So today I'm going to be installing this beautiful ZL1 add-ons Wicker Bill on my 2015 RS Camaro. The tools you're going to need are a drill, a tape measure, masking tape, a marker, a ruler, and the included hardware in the kit. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is take masking tape and mask off the entire back part of this wing right through here so you can mark to drill the holes. So after you've taped off the back half of the wing, you're going to want to find dead center. If you look right here on the third brake light, there's a molding impression from where it's injected. That is dead center on the vehicle. You want to come up from that and find exactly where you want the middle of your hole to be, and you mark there and drill. So after you've marked it off, you're going to take a drill and drill a hole right there in the middle and insert your rib nut. So after I've got the first screw and the first rib nut hole, I use that to mark the second one, and I want to use that to mark the rest. Alright, this is what it should look like once you've got all the rib nuts installed on the wing. And after you've done that, the wing's ready to be screwed on. Okay guys, this is what the completed install looks like. If I left anything at all out of the video, please feel free to comment below, and thank you for watching.